Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Fabia. You don't go to phone. What you need to do is go to menu, click on menu, and then we find settings, onto settings, screen time and date language, more keypad languages, units, mobile device data transfer, wind down here, factory settings, then we get to Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth visibility, name, we want paired devices down here. And it's a touch screen, so paired devices. And you see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and there's a bin there, so delete. Also, if for any reason you can't play audio through the system, just make sure that there's a tick next to the audio on that particular screen. So anyway, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Fabia. The first thing we need to do is make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on, then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, if I go to phone, click on phone, please find SKODA BT 4932. Now it's come up here, so we'll click on that. Click pair. Confirm pairing. Does the passkey match? Yes, it does. Pairing with Barry's iPhone successful. Allow contacts and favourites to sync? Yes. That's it. It really is so simple. It's my watch has just beeped there as well to say that that's all paired up. Really very, very simple system. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Fabia. So if we go to music, click on music, you'll see at the bottom, hopefully you can for the glare. If I click on that, SKODA BT has already showed up. If for any reason that's not ticked like so, just click it and the tick appears. This means anything that plays on here on your mobile, so long as your system is set correctly over here, the audio will come through. Whether it's a YouTube video, the audio will come through. Whether it's iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, anything, the audio will come through here. So I've turned it down on here. Now we have to go over to media. That's come up already. It's already on Bluetooth. But if it wasn't, I'll put it on auxiliary for a moment, and then we'll just go back. We'll go back to Nav. So again, we click play on here. It's turned down. I go over to media. That's on auxiliary. So I go to source, click BT audio. I'll click play again because it's knocked it off. Now if I turn this up and then turn it up here, that's how you stream audio. A real good system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2017 SKODA Fabia. So from any screen, just click on the nav like so. Screen here, new destination, my destinations, your all destinations, points of interest. So we want new destination. Click on that. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road. Still not got used to it. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, and the postcode is PR5 4EA. So PR5 4EA, that's it there. Click on it. It's brought it up, and then we just need to click start.
The route is being calculated.
That's it. That's how you do it.